has been doing so well recently. I sent you guys, I think, alert to the group. If say you guys didn't see it, then I don't know, but I sent you guys alert about this, and I believe most of you took advantage of this. Got some profits already. You can see what I mark here. Look at my target. I targeted this area and I got it already. Guys, in the crypto market or in the financial market, there are two people, the bull and the bears. These guys make money in the markets regardless of what is going on. So if say you want to decide who you are in the market, then you have to choose right now who you are before you can get involved fully into cryptocurrency. Are you a bull or a bear? You need to define who you are, and who you are will help you determine what angle you're gonna be, going about when it comes to trading. And you can see here, Bitcoin was going down for the past 2 years. You can see here after the up like the higher highs, or the all-time high of 63,000, 63,000, and Bitcoin went right down to about, let's say, 15,600 or 500. And ever since we are seeing recovery, that means the bears are taking over or have started taking over, and now they are at the midpoint, right? Which means the bulls have started. Have started taking over, meaning the bears have given up, right? So if say you are a bull right now, you need to start looking at opportunities to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptos. And if say you are a bear, of course, you know what to do. You will start looking at ways to sell. But I don't think we have much downside at this point in time for Bitcoin than upside. Yeah, I think we have more upside than downside. So today we're gonna look at altcoins, AI coins, Bitcoin ordinals, how this is gonna change the market, how this is gonna impact, everything, like start the next bull market. I believe you guys are waiting, because when we invest in cryptocurrency, we wait to make, like, we want to make money, right? Not only crypto. When you invest in something, you want to make money. And I think most of you or most of us have been waiting for this moment, like the bull market, to come so that we can make lots of profit trading or investing in cryptocurrency. So today, as I mentioned, we're going to look at all this today. And yeah, let's dive right away into it.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better.
So now, guys, this is the daily time frame of Bitcoin. Remember, I told you guys, whenever you want to make a move in the market, you need to look at where Bitcoin is. What is Bitcoin doing? What are investors talking about Bitcoin like? What are the reaction? And if say you still don't understand what you're seeing here, like these charts, then make sure you are part of my group so that I can help you understand how to read charts. Those of you who are in my group and you haven't yet understood how to read chart, I'm still going to try as hard as possible to educate you guys on how you can go about reading chart. But when you look at these charts, the red candles represent those who are selling or selling pressure. Why? The green candles represent buying pressure. And you can see here that Bitcoin to an extent is holding here. We all know that Bitcoin is holding here, right? Those of you who are buying cryptocurrency or you are investing in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is at a level where most people are saying it might get back to, let's say, 17K or 16K or 19K. But guys, you don't want to listen to all the noise out there. Always follow what the chart says every day. The fundamentals for Bitcoin is good. It's cool. We know that Bitcoin is the alpha. Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin is not going anywhere. There's lots going on right now with the Bitcoin network, which is the Bitcoin Ordinals, which is gonna drive a lot of buying power or pressure on the Bitcoin network. And when more people buy Bitcoin because they want to inscribe on the Bitcoin, the Ordinals or the Bitcoin blockchain and the NFTs, then it's gonna drive the price of Bitcoin to the upside. This is the first time in history, or in the Bitcoin history, that we are seeing a lot of activities on the network, like building on the network, developers building and project launching on the Bitcoin network. So this is a crucial moment, and I think, or I believe that Bitcoin Ordinance and AI is gonna be the leader for the next bull run, or are going to be the signals that we need to see to drive crypto to the next, to the upside. Now, okay, let me bring in my indicators, guys. This is going to be a tutorial, like more of a tutorial than just coming here showing you where the price of Bitcoin is. I want you guys to understand certain moves that I'm going to be making in the market because of Bitcoin, or because of where Bitcoin is at this point in time. Guys, I use different indicators right now. I've been researching on different indicators, and I have come up with with awesome ones that I'm going to be using, or that I'm using. And these are the 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day moving average strategy that has support and resistance. This is my indicator. I created this indicator using ChatGPT, right? So now, what I look at here, I look at this, like these lines here represent the 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. Okay, the green line here, like, let me take off this so I can explain to you guys more better. This yellow line represents the 20-day moving average. This 1 year, it represents the 50-day moving average, and the red one, which is in between the blue and the green, represents the 200-day moving average. Then this other 1 year, this 1 year represents the 9-day moving average. So whenever Bitcoin or whenever crypto, you can do this with any other coins out there. When crypto is, or when your project is in an uptrend, it's going to be bouncing always going to be bouncing on the the next candle is going to be bouncing on the 9-day moving average. That means more pressure. You're going to see more buying pressure from the 9-day moving average to the upside. And if, say, we start seeing price going to the downside, then you're going to be trading above the below the 9-day moving average. And if, say, we want to see like a next swing low, we want to see a bounce from the 9-day moving average. So, like, yeah, this is a daily time frame. Let me go to smaller time frame so we can see more of what I'm talking about. Let me refresh it so you can see this properly. All right, now you can see here that this is the 50-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So you can see here that on the 5-minute time frame, Bitcoin is in an uptrend, right? And this is more of a recovery from the dip yesterday. And if, say, you guys remember, I mentioned in the group that if, say, you are buying cryptocurrency, make sure you take out profits. I think that was on Monday or Tuesday, because we might see some downward movement, before Friday. You can start buying on Friday, on Friday then, because I think this Friday, Saturday, we're going to have a good, upside with cryptocurrency. So you can see that whenever there's a dip, there's going to be a pullback to retest that level where the dip started. So if you see like a dip here, note that price is going to come back to retest this zone, and this is exactly what price is doing now. It's coming back to retest that zone, and if, say, price break this zone, like break to the upside and hold there, then you know that we are back in an uptrend, right? But as of now, we cannot say we are back in an uptrend because price haven't yet broken this structure yet. This is where we started seeing the dip. So if, say, price come here and bounce back, then we want to start looking at at ways to place a sell order, right? If it bounce back to the downside, then you're gonna start looking for ways to place a sell order. And this sell order are gonna be you're gonna be looking at the this indicator, this moving averages. And now you can see here that this green line and blue line, which the red line is in between, is represent the support and resistance of this strategy, right? So whenever price comes to that level, it means it has come, like now it is below, so this is resistance. So price is now at resistance. So if say price breaks this resistance, then automatically this blue line here is gonna become support. So like that, this might be a little bit difficult for those of you who don't understand how to read like how these indicators work. But what I'm trying to say here is, if say you see below, like price is below here, then you know that we are in a downtrend. If you see price going above, then we are in an uptrend. Like above this, this moving averages here. And if says price start going to the upside, we're gonna see like price trading on the 9-day moving average. So whenever you, like, if say you want to try this just with the 9-day moving average, let's do some back testing so you can see what I'm talking about. Or we can try this with let me try this with a different coin. Let's look for, I thought I saw this here. Okay, so now this is Litecoin. I'm gonna give you guys more signal. Wow, Litecoin is actually on fire. I missed out here. I was supposed to buy more Litecoin at this price point, but I didn't buy. Now, what I mentioned about that moving average, let me put it now on this uptrend. You can see that on the 1 hour time frame, price. Let me bring in that. I think I should. Let me go back to. Let me see. Let me see if I can bring in 9-day moving average here, so we can see more properly what I'm talking about. I can give you guys more moving average. Let me see. I think maybe let me just do it here on the Bitcoin chart. So I can do it. Let me do Litecoin. I'm using Bybit. Okay, let me refresh this. Now we can see that Litecoin is on fire, no doubt, right? And I already marked some zones here for Litecoin. You can see these zones here, and these zones are gonna represent like right now. I think I would say I can place an order here for Litecoin, until let's see. If you have to place an order here, because you can see Litecoin is trading above this line here, this 9-day moving average. You can see what I told you guys. So as long as the price is above the 9-day moving average, then we are in an uptrend. This is the 5-minute time frame. If Litecoin keeps trending above that 9-day moving average, then we are in an uptrend. And if say Litecoin breaks, or like let's say it start trading below, then it's gonna come to retest this 20-day moving average. It might bounce back from this 20-day moving average. If it doesn't bounce back, then we know the next level is the 50-day moving average. If say it doesn't bounce again from the 50-day moving average, then it's gonna go to retest this support here, this area here. It's important you guys understand this, because this is how you're gonna be making money, in this market. If you understand how to use these indicators, or not only this one, if you understand how to use indicators in the market, it's gonna help you to be a better trader, or someone who is gonna make a lot of profits in this market. I think this computer is freezing a little bit. I have so many windows open here. So many windows going on, and I'm using just one computer at this point in time to do everything. So I think that's why the computer is so overheated. Okay, yeah, I think it's a little bit okay. So this is the area here. Let me put this here. I think it's not actually drawing here. So this is the area here. If say price comes to retest this, then you want to buy back. You can see each time price follow this area here, this trend here, price have always bounced back from this trend. So if say you want to get into Litecoin, wait a little bit for price to bounce, to come right down here to bounce, before you can get in. And right now I think I'm gonna look for ways to place an order, like a sell order for Litecoin, but not immediately. I'm gonna wait a little bit to see what will happen. But I like to to trap it from the top so that I can have a minimum like a minimum stop loss. Yeah, so my stop loss impact wouldn't be that much. All right, so it's really let me say it's really cool that I show you guys this, because at times it's challenging. If you say you are in the market and you're trying to go about buying or trading or investing in cryptocurrency, and you don't understand how to go about it, it might be really, really challenging, and this might cause most of you to lose money in the market. So what I'm showing you guys here is very important, and I want you guys to really take advantage of it. Don't sit there and think, okay, what the Betong is saying is just, maybe it's not for me. This is for everyone who wants to really make the most out of the market. If you want to make the most out of the market, then you have to start learning, to read the chart, to so that you can understand how you can get in, how you can get out, the different structure in the market. I'm so excited always when I come here, because I want you guys to actually understand so much so much which is going on in the market. And if say you guys don't understand everything, it makes me really, really happy. So I think my computer is a little bit cool off right now. Let me take off this. You can see it. Let me take off this. I've closed some windows, so it's now a little bit better. Let me take off some of this now, so I can explain to you guys again more better. Guys, I don't really feel that's 100% today, but actually let me come here and do this for you guys. I've been so busy lately, tired, but usually when you love something, you always want to do it. So if say price comes back to this zone, if price touch this zone, let me draw this here. I think I did the wrong one. Highlighter, yeah. Okay, so this is it. Price will always come to touch those areas. You can see whenever price touch those areas, price bounce back. It could come back, it bounce back. Now we are gonna see if say price is gonna bounce back. Now let me give you guys, if say you wanna trade Litecoin right now, let's do this together. Okay, what I do is I go, like right now I'm on the 55-minute time frame. I look at the stochastics. The stochastics is above, like is now, let's say is overbought. Yeah, it's at overbought area. I drew this lines here. You can see, yeah. If say the stochastics is at that point in time, then I know, okay, we're gonna see some sort of downward movement somehow, and if say we're gonna see sort of like some sort of downward movement, it means price is gonna go down, right? And I also look at the 50-minute time frame to see, okay, what is going on. Price also, the stochastics is also like at the overbought area. And if I go to the 30-minute time frame, it's the same thing. I go to the 1 hour time frame, it's the same thing. Now when I look at this, it tells me price is gonna fall anyways. And with this, I need to look for a confirmation. What I want to see is this. I go to this I have this indicator here. I put this on and I wait for a buy and a sell order. Now I'm gonna wait for a sell order. If say price have to pull back, I'm gonna wait. Give me a sell, signal here, like sell. All right. like yeah, it says buy, and ever since it said buy, price has been going to the upside. Yeah, ever since it says buy, you see price has been going to the upside. Yeah, ever since it said sell, price went to the downside and touch this area that I told you guys. Guys, like this indicator, it helps me to actually. I don't want to take so many trades, but whenever I see a signal, a clear signal, I'm gonna like dive into it full time without any regret, and I'm gonna go big time, like full in. And when you look at this, if you would have bought this year, you would have sold here anyways, right? Then you would have bought again here, because maybe the signal was a false signal. This sell signal here was a false signal, and immediately the buy signal came again, and boom, you saw the price going to the upside. Now, what we have to do is, if same, we're gonna see some sort of retracement, because look at where it is. Look at where this indicator is, like this support and resistance here is right down here. That means price is gonna somehow come to retest this area like it did back here, right? Price will come to retest this area. We don't know when, we don't know where, but I think somewhere, if say this is a support and resistance, then this is gonna be the next zone. Looking at where price might go, this area, like here. Let me do this. So let's see. This area is gonna be the next zone where we can see price go to. Yeah, price will come here, right? Let's say price, this area here. And if say price goes to that area, it means you want to start looking at ways to buy. Now, if I go to the 4 hours time frame, you're going to see here that the reason why I say so is because looking at the Fibonacci retracement, it tells me that this zone, this area here, when price get into this area, I use the Fibonacci, I draw it from the top to the bottom. It gives me this different, you can see here, this different, like these lines here, these are possible areas where price might go and get rebounds, and, like either up or down, right? So it tells me that we're going to see a retracement or some sort of retracement somehow to this level that I mentioned. It's going to come here, to this level. And this is no doubt the resistance of this, the support area of this, So we saw rejection here many times. So I think price is gonna come back to retest this area here. So if say Litecoin is in an uptrend, then this is where you wanna place an order. And I mentioned to you guys that I'm gonna look for ways to place a sell order. You see, it's not yet. I haven't seen any signal yet for me to place a sell order. So I'm gonna be patient to wait. So let's see what the market will give us or will give me. Let's see. Let me refresh this. Guys, I'm gonna give you share with you guys some altcoins also that you're gonna be buying. Don't think I forgot about it. I'm gonna give you guys now. Let's discuss something. Investing in cryptocurrencies should be simple, or trading cryptocurrencies should be simple. One of the challenges that I've had in the past is that I didn't have a proper plan, or let's say strategy. If say you don't have a plan or strategy to go about in the market, then you find yourself losing money. If say you have decided to be in crypto full time, then you need to give yourself that confidence. Tell yourself that, okay, now this is what I want to do. I want to make money. I want to be profitable. Anyone out there, or those who are out there who are making money in cryptocurrency, they are not different. That's what I told myself, that they are not different. I can as well do the same thing after, I've gone through lots of crypto chaos, like losing a lot of money. And immediately, let me not say immediately, the day I discovered this strategy, this plan or strategy, it gives me a clear focus, a clear mindset, because now whenever I take any trades, I am sure, not always, but at least if say I take 10 trades, I'm sure I'm gonna get 6. And when I get six of my 10 trades and I meet my target, I'm gonna be making money, or I'm gonna be profitable investing in or trading cryptocurrency. So this is what I want you guys to understand. Don't just go out there, buy, like because you want to buy. No, you have to buy knowing when to buy. Or when you know that this is the time to buy, then you're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna be buying right now, and stay away from all the noise out there. You're becoming a crypto millionaire. How much I did? Like I know I've made such content, and you guys can see right now. I don't want to align myself with such content because I want to get views. Those content, make you guys to go to listen to them and give those guys views. I'm not here to make views. I'm here to make millionaires, to build wealth, right? So I don't want to tell people what they want to hear, like this coin will make you a millionaire. No, every coin out there that have the right fundamentals, that have the right technicals, can make you a millionaire, right? So that's it. Don't look at that. Okay, it's only Baby Dogecoin. It's only Floki Inu. It's only this. No, any coin out there. So you need to be active and tell yourself, if say I am invested in this coin, like if say I want to buy Floki, if Floki is my coin that I want to buy, for example, then I'm going to be looking at key levels, looking at support, resistance, in different indicators in the market, market sentiments, what is going on in the market. And whenever I see all this, I'm going to buy or sell. And you keep doing this, and when you do this, you compound more. And the time that you're gonna be right, in buying, selling, you're gonna find yourself making money, and you're losing money, and like losing less money. The idea here, guys, is to not be perfect. The idea here is to make sure you have a perfect entry most of the time, right? Even not even though it's not gonna be always, but at times, like most of the time, most of the time. Let me put it that way. You're gonna be right, and when you're right, you're gonna make more profit. So I'm not gonna be telling you, this is gonna make you a millionaire again. No, I don't want to be like, I don't want to create my content, or I don't want to like create such content anymore. I want to focus on education, so that you get the education, and then you can decide if, say, you want to become a millionaire or not. That's it. Like when you have the knowledge can give you that confidence to decide, okay, right now I want to become a millionaire. Okay, I mean, enough of the talk. Let's dive again now. I was to show you guys so many projects here today. So let me just get into it. I've been focusing on this alone. So let's we have done Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. This is Ethereum right now. This is a weekly time. Let's go to the daily time frame so we can see what is going on with Ethereum. Okay, I have to refresh this. Why is it not going? BTC. Ethereum. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. Guys, Ethereum also, it looks like it's similar to Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is doing, it's still moving sideways. And if so, you want to see more, like to get a proper direction of where Ethereum is going towards. You can see here that like this is a weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, you can see here that Ethereum, it has been holding, like it's in between this box here, or this in between here, and this is good, moving sideways. So you guys can note that if, say, Ethereum breaks this area, then we're gonna get to the next angle here. So I think Ethereum's not gonna break this, right? Because if that happens, then we might see Ethereum go right down to 1,200, right? So yeah, there's so much that we need to look at before we we invest. So right now, if, say, you are buying Ethereum long term, I don't think right now is the time to buy more Ethereum. Of course, sorry, yeah, if you're buying Ethereum long term, then now it's time to buy more Ethereum. But if say you are trading Ethereum, then I think you should be scalping Ethereum, like, short them. Don't like want to place a long trade, because right now we don't actually know where the market is going towards. No one can tell you that. We can just look at what the charts give us every day to see what is going on in the market. Now let's look at XRP. XRP have been doing well recently. XRP also is in an uptrend. This is the weekly time frame, and from the weekly time frame we can see here that XRP is in an uptrend. And if say XRP breaks this, there's gonna be it's gonna be tough here, guys. So if we look at the moving out the stochastics on the weekly time frame, and let's go to the daily time frame to see also the stochastics, it tells me that this coin is going to the downside. Yeah, from the daily time frame, it tells me that it's going to the downside. So we might see some sort of retracement back to this. I think to this support. Yeah, I told you guys already about this. So if say we see XRP go back to this level, to retest this support, I don't know when it's gonna be. Maybe the support will move up to this level. If that happens, then you wanna buy more XRP. I'm not gonna buy XRP right now. I think it's already pumped. So right now I'm gonna be looking for ways to short it, right? Instead of buying, I'm gonna be short, like selling it, trading it, selling it in the market. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Render also is in an uptrend. I don't want to make any move until I see Render come to test this zone here. Or maybe let me see. Okay, it has been making higher highs here. Let's see swing. So okay, if I draw this here, it's a good a proper trend line here. So I will say if I see Render break this trend line, then I'm gonna buy I'm gonna wait for it to come to this zone. But if say it comes to this area, I'm gonna buy, place an order here, then wait for maybe bounce back. But if say it breaks this trend line here, then maybe I'm going to sell or don't do anything. Right? And let's look at Litecoin. We already look at Litecoin already. Wow, Litecoin is pumping. I mentioned earlier it's pumping, and I'm gonna look for ways to sell this right now. I'm still gonna wait for the signal, and the signal will be based on what I told you guys. I'm just gonna wait here. I think it's coming. You're gonna see somehow. Let me pull this again here. Yep. So whenever I see the signal, then I'm gonna buy. Sorry, sell, not buy. Now let's Dogecoin. I don't want to talk about Dogecoin now. Binance, yeah, the same thing, guys. All these coins, looking at what I've told you guys, you can just pull the stochastics. Whenever you see price, at this point, start looking at ways to sell. Whenever you see price here, look for ways to buy. Make it simple. Don't want to put so many indicators. You can see here I use just 2 indicators most at times. I use the stochastics and this moving averages. That's what I use, guys. And to an extent, I can go to the RSI to look for possible divergence, and that's it, guys. I don't want to make it so difficult. And I've told you guys, I look at this buy sell signals, yeah. And whenever I see it, it gives me the go ahead to buy. Like right now, I would have sold anyways, because I don't want to wait until price comes back. That's another thing to that I want to tell you guys is this. If say you understand when to get in, then you need to also learn on where to get out, right? And getting out might be difficult as well than getting in, right? As well as getting in. So you can see here, it shows that whenever price comes to this area, yeah, or towards that area, then we might see a bounce back to the downside. And Binance is forming. Let's see, the Binance coin is forming on the 5-minute time frame. It's forming a trend line here. Let's see. Let me take this back a little bit. It's forming a trend line here that we might you might follow. if say you want to make some profit with Binance, trading Binance. So yeah, it's making a trend line here, and you can see here that if it might keep following this trend line, to go to the upside, or before it skyrocket to the upside. But as of now, you can see it's trending in between this trend line, and it's getting closer, like compressing the trend line. So if say you're trading by BNB, then you want to look at, if say price breaks this like below, then you're gonna get out from that trade. And if the price goes upward, then maybe you want to buy more BNB, right? And if say we look at, let's say no, I don't want to talk about this one. Gala. I have an order for Gala. There's a buy signal here for Gala on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, guys, whenever I say buy signal on this time frame, like 5-minute time frame, I don't just buy instantly. I look at where the RSI, the stochastics is right now. Is up, and whenever I see the stochastics make it ways down, like go right down to this over sold area, then if say there's no change, like no sell or no change of the signal here, then I want to place that order now. Like that's my entry point, right? But if say before it gets down here on the 5-minute time frame, if say I see sell, then I know, okay, that was a false signal, And I mean, guys, you can always take advantage of this. And I told you guys, whenever price comes, like when we are in an uptrend, whenever price comes to retest the support level, price always bounce back. Guys, I've back tested this multiple times, and you can see here it's actually working. Price is bouncing from this this trend line here, which represent the support and resistance. And this is this strategy is my strategy that I use ChatGPT to create. Yeah, and it has been really awesome so far. Now I think I have a couple of coins here. Let's go to some AI coins. I think the ones that you should be buying. Let's see, we have GPT, we have Chepley, we also have Fetch AI. This Fed AI, they are all doing well. So you can look for possible ways to get involved in it. And yeah, I think that's let me see if say I can look for one AI coin here that we can maybe trade. If say you want this indicator, then maybe I don't know, I'm gonna tell you guys how to get it. This one that gives buy and sell. Then I'm gonna if say you wanna like get all these indicators that I am I'm showing you guys here, comment below, and maybe if you are part of my group, then I can tell you how you can get it on your chart. But first of all, you need to have TradingView. If you don't have TradingView, go below this video. There are links here for you to subscribe or join TradingView. Right, then I can send you the code for you to and then show you how you can. Maybe I'm gonna do a video on how you can go about it, like insert the codes and so on and so forth. Then, but if say you want this, then comment below that you want it, and also join my group. The links are found below this video. Go there and join my group. So we can do this together. Okay, I think I've been talking so much. I feel tired. Oh, you can see my voice is not. When I feel tired, I'm not hype. But there's a trick here that I want you guys to. I said I'm gonna take. Let's see, guys. This indicator that this indicator here, you can see on the different time frame, it gives you the different coins that are trending, or are not trending, that are in an uptrend or downtrend. Like it says that BTC on the 5-minute time frame is trending, while Ethereum USDT is not trending on the 5-minute time frame. You can see it gives you. So this indicator is awesome. It's really an alpha indicator. I love it. I'm gonna make a lot of profit with this indicator, and this guy keep updating it every now and then. So I think I don't know how long it's gonna be let's say, free, but I think to an extent it's gonna be free forever. All right. Okay. If you have some questions, then you can post some questions. I'm gonna do my best to answer the questions. I don't know how many people are watching right now, but yeah, that's how it's gonna be, right? And those of you who are yet to understand more about ordinance, Bitcoin ordinance, make sure you do, because Bitcoin ordinance is gonna be the next catalyst that is gonna drive the price of Bitcoin to, let's say, 100K, 2 million. When people like Peter Schiff came out and says he's gonna inscribe an art, or like one of his favorite art, something like that, on the Bitcoin network. Wow, that's awesome. Right, someone like him who has been negative or who have bad sentiment about crypto or Bitcoin, he always says Bitcoin is going to zero. If say you want to buy Bitcoin to inscribe an art like NFT on a Bitcoin network, then that tells you how powerful Bitcoin is, and this narrative is gonna be the catalyst that's gonna change, or take us to the next bull market, right? But it's not gonna be as soon as possible, like not like la. We might see some pullback in the market. That's why I say make sure the charts are your friend. Make sure you follow me. If you want me to do this every day, comment below that I want you to do this every day. I can do this every day for you guys. I just need you guys to motivate me always. Yeah, motivate me always, because if not, I might like, okay, maybe you guys don't. You are okay, you're fine, so you guys should motivate me always, so that I can come here, we can pick certain project that you guys are investing in, and we do a proper analysis every day, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the top altcoins, like you can see, I have a list here. All these altcoins are the ones I'm monitoring, I'm trading it, and I can see it on my watch list. What they are doing every day. If say I say coin here start giving me good signals, then I'm gonna buy it immediately, or start looking for ways to buy it. So yeah, that's my plan, and that's what I'm gonna be doing from now onwards. All right, guys, let me know. I think this live stream is so long today. I'm gonna do my best to cut it somehow. Okay, here we go. Hopefully this content today was helpful to you. I want to believe you got some value. If you did got some value, then hit that like button, subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. And I want to remind you guys that the crypto project, the Beton crypto project, is still ongoing. I'm still working hard to make sure everything goes smoothly, so that we can launch our own crypto project. And this project is gonna be focusing on helping people across Africa in villages. We're gonna go there, hold seminars. I'm gonna go to Nigeria, Cameroon, across Africa through this project, and we're gonna have different people in those areas that are constantly educating people. I believe that the people out there who have lots of cash, they have money, but they don't know how to invest. They have a cash flow, and also there are people who don't have money and they want to build something with cryptocurrency. So I think this can help everyone out there, in Africa or anywhere in the world, who is interested. We're going to have on-site events, we're going to have online events. So anyone in the world can be part of our events. I just need you guys to work with me on this, so we can, drive more adoption in Africa, in Asia, in the world, everywhere. But my focus in Africa, I want to see my African brothers and sisters become wealthy. I want to see Africa be on top of the game. When we talk about crypto, Nigeria, South Africa, Cameroon, Niger, Ghana, I want us to be on top of the game, because guys, trust me, to make money is one thing, to keep the money is another thing. So yeah, I can tell you guys from experience, and what we're gonna be doing is not just to tell people or to teach people to make money, but how to keep money, how to invest properly. I have a background in business, like there's so much that I want us to do together for this project or in this project or with this project to help people out there. So you being part of this project by buying that coin or investing somehow, you can also provide liquidity, so it's gonna help the project a lot. And you might not only buy the coin, you can be part of the team, right? Join the team and do what you can do, like do what you do the way where you are, but let's do it as a team, so we can collectively help so many people out there. So that's my plan long term, the future. I'm not here to hype you. I'm not here to tell you become a millionaire. I'm here to give you that knowledge to build something sustainable for yourself. All right, guys. That's it for today. Bye bye. Ciao.